What's up, guys? Yeah, welcome back to this episode of our video here on Notcoin Rabbit's Enigma Wallet Passphrase today. Alright, so today we want to now click on your mind. On mine, I'm going to see Enigma. Click on Enigma. Then, before then, I hope you have claimed your daily combo. If you have not done that, you can check the video description for the link to the video. Now, click on Enigma. Alright, so here we want to merge all these words into the correct box. We want to rearrange them to the correct one. But before then, if the time you're watching this video is late already and the codes have changed, you can check the comment section for the new one. All right, because I heard some of you complain that the code have changed, so always check the comment for the new one. Now let's go. Now number one is rail. All right, so as it is there. Then number two is demand. Number three is record. What is it? Number four is rifle. Number five is middle. Number six is spatial. Number seven is address. Number eight is level. Number nine is inmate. All right, as it is there. Number 10 is upon. Okay, in that order. Number 11 is arc. Then move this here. Then number 12 is cop. All right, so let's click on validate now. As I said again, if you are watching this late and it has changed, always check the comment section for the new one. Click on validate. All right, so Enigma reward. Click on claim price for 2.5 million coins now. Yeah, so this is all for today. I hope you found the video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Join our Telegram channel with the link in the video description for all other updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time.